welcome back to my channel, and how are you doing? Ask me this question, I'm like literally freezing to my bones, and I don't know why I always feel that this winter is harsher than the previous one. But thank God today we have sun and it's not gloomy or windy like the previous days, so I'm feeling a little bit warm and yeah. Anyways, today we're going to talk about the StBotanica Vitamin C Brightening Day Cream, which is also having SPF 30 with it. And the intentions of today's video is that I want to shed light on what kind of vitamin C cream you guys should be looking out for if you are a beginner, and in that scenario whether this babe right over here fits the frame or not. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. To ensure that we guys are on the same page, I would like to tell you a bit about the vitamin C cream and why it is so famous in the beauty world. Now, vitamin C helps us fight free radicals and boost the skin plumping collagen, and it also makes our skin younger, brighter, and helps us stay away from signs of aging. So that is why it is advised and it is suitable to have a vitamin C product in our daily skincare regime. Now for that purpose, I am going to divide this video into 4 different sections, where I am going to discuss about the standard packaging a vitamin C cream should have versus what does this cream has. Then I'm going to talk about ingredients, again standard versus what this cream has, and then I'm going to talk about application. And lastly, that what did I feel about this particular product and whether this could be coming your way for your beauty regime or not. So let's start with the first thing, which is about the packaging of the product. Now when I talk about a standard vitamin C cream, so the packaging of that particular product is supposed to be a dark tinted bottle, and it should be airtight as well. So why are we supposed to have such a packaging? Because vitamin C products tend to get oxidized. That means they would no longer remain beneficial for your skin, and then your money goes into drain. So the best thing is that the product should be enclosed in an airtight bottle and should be tinted. They have nice packaging, so it's a glass jar over here with a golden lid. Again, it's tinted, so the product remains very safe and secure inside it. Plus it's airtight and very easily accessible. So I have no issues with the packaging of the product. Now let's move on to a very important category, which is the ingredients of the product.
Ingredients you should be looking for are ascorbic acid, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, ascorbic glucosamine, and sodium ascorbyl phosphate. Now these ingredients can be coupled with certain other ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, ferulic acid, and vitamin E in order to increase the benefits of your product.
But besides that guys, as we are beginners and we should not be using higher concentrations of vitamin C in our products, it is advisable to use stable and water-soluble derivatives of vitamin C such as sodium ascorbic phosphate or magnesium ascorbic phosphate based products. Now this product right over here with us, which is StBotanica Vitamin C Cream, has the sodium ascorbic phosphate, which is a stable water-soluble vitamin C derivative which is used to actually brighten up your skin and reduce the signs of aging. If you do not apply a product the right way, it would end up not doing any kind of benefit for you.
So I've cleansed my face with a face wash and applied a face serum, and now I'm going to apply this vitamin C cream on my face. So I'm applying it in the form of dots, and I'm not going to rub it into my face, but I'm going to tap it into my skin so that it is absorbed in the deepest layers of my skin. Now guys, it is always advisable to use SPF after applying a vitamin C cream because it gets off your dead skin cells, and therefore it's not good to step out into the sun that way. So therefore, even after being mentioned that the cream has SPF 30, I did not take any chance and applied sunscreen.
So I've been applying the product for 2 months now because I received the product in the month of November, and since then I would say my skin has brightened up. I feel like my skin is a bit glowy, plus every time I apply the product onto my skin I feel super moisturized. Now that is one feeling I love because my skin is very dry and I literally cannot live without a face moisturizer, because then my skin would feel itchy, it would feel stretchy as well, and then it also has white lines on it, so that kind of looks really bad. So that is why I love the moisturizing effect of the cream. So if you would ask me that overall how did I feel about the product, I was pretty satisfied because the StBotanica products are always nice and they are authentic and they did work on my skin. I did not observe any kind of reaction. I did not observe any kind of side effects of using this product. It was very well and nourishing for my skin. So that's it guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. But before that, a very important point. What is the price of the product? The price of the product on StBotanica's website is $1,249, so it's $1,249. I also observed the product on Amazon and I felt, I do not remember the price exactly, but it was borderline 1,000. It was 1,000 something. I am going to link all those websites in the description box down below. I know guys, some of you will feel price is a hindrance, and yes, price may be a hindrance, but when we talk about vitamin C products, they are pricey. So if you go on for looking out the products available in market, other products available in the market, they're going to be around 1,900, 2,000 and above that. So in the price range of 1,000, around 1,000, I think it's a pretty good deal. If you loved watching my video, so please do not forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and also do not forget to comment down below that what would you want me to do next. I would love to do it for you guys, and I'm gonna see you very soon. Till then, stay blessed.